Guys, how are we all doing? So something a little bit different today. We're gonna do an unboxing of my my new Mavic Air drone. So yeah, gonna see what's inside the box, see what comes with it. Something a bit more fun and interesting maybe than trading. So let's see if I can get in here with these scissors. Here we go. I think I'm in. I think we're in. Get this plastic off. So yeah, looking forward to getting some shots. I've been looking at some YouTube videos on basically the sorts of shots that we can get on these, and yeah, looks pretty good. It looks like a pretty professional piece of kit. So where's our? How do we open this? Here we go. Shall I just peel this off? It's a black one. Apparently, black is the best color for it. So we'll have a look once we get it out. So here we go. Open it goes. So what have we got? We have got I'm guessing this is the drone in a nice little kit. We'll open that in a second. Just see what else we've got. Let's lift this box. We've got a box. What's in the box? What have we got in the box? We have got some spare propellers, some spare set of propellers, rotor blades. We've got an instruction manual. What's in the box? A pretty extensive instruction manual we've got there. We've got these are some propeller guards, rotor blade guards, and then I think we just got another little bit of yeah. What's this? We're here to help you. Scan this. Yeah, we'll have a look at that. We'll read that in a little bit. So that's what we've got in there. Here's the controller. This is a pretty fancy looking controller. Obviously we get our phone in here. So if we just take this off, this is where we put our phone in. Can we get this open? Do I have to do this? Am I going to break it? Let's not break it. But yeah, so that's where we sort of put our phone in. Here's our antennas, whatever we call them. Yeah, so this is where the phone will go in. Or even is my phone, I don't know. But yeah, nice. That'll be a quite a cool looking remote. And then what else have we got? We've got to have some chargers or some batteries or something, surely. I'm guessing that is this one. So we have got, yeah, so there's the power bank. There's the power bank. Here is some charger cables. And here is another charger cable. One of these will actually be for there's an adapter as well there. One of these will actually be to plug the phone in, and the others will be what am I even trying to say? Yeah, for the actual memory card that's actually built into the drone. So right now, let's have a look at the drone itself. Let's open it up for the first time. Here we go. This is what we've been waiting for. It's what I've been waiting for. Just be careful. Got to be careful. Here we go. There we go. Look at that. Look at that, guys. I'm pretty impressed. So let's open it up. There we go. Open this one up. Let's not break it. Oh, doesn't want to open up that one as easily. Is there a knack to this? Is there a reason why this won't open? And maybe I'll have to look at the instructions before I start to try and force this. Oh, it's because it opens that way. Wow, there we go. I'm trying to look. Okay, so this one opens. Sorry, this one you can see opens this way, opens that way. So then I sort of assumed that this one would also open outwards, but it doesn't. It sort of slides at an angle outwards like that. So good job I didn't try and force that open. So yeah, and then we've got some little feet here. Some little feet here. I'm sure there's meant to be some more feet on these. But yeah, some feet there. I'm pretty sure there's meant to be some more feet, but we'll have a look. Maybe they fit on somewhere. Maybe they're in here. And I have to screw them on somehow. Let's see how these well, we won't see how they fit on at the moment, but yeah, so there it is. There's the drone. here's the camera. Obviously behind this little protective thing. So we can get this off. There we go. There's the camera. Behind the little protective thing, so we can obviously got this little guard to go back on for when it is in transit. But yeah, so I'm definitely looking forward to getting some good shots. I've seen some really good things on the websites on basically the sort of stuff that this can do. So yeah, very excited to have a go with this drone. So no doubt I'll upload some of the footage that I get for you guys to see. Yeah, it's meant to be a really good quality drone, really good quality camera, lots of features. So yeah, I'm looking forward to uploading some more pictures. So yeah, there we go, guys. So thanks for listening, and yeah, look out for my my drone footage videos.